Scientists at Cardiff University say they've discovered a possible antidote for asthma. The condition affects around 27,000 people in the UK, and every day 3 people die from it. Lina Ma reports.
As the leading body for generating the results, Cardiff scientists found a solution in collaboration with scientists from King's College London and Mayo Clinic. A class of drugs known as calcilytics are identified to control calcium sensor receptor, which are responsible for causing symptoms of asthma.
But it's not possible to treat the root cause of asthma. So we think that we are very excited because with this novel treatment avenue that we've discovered here, we think it's possible for the first time to actually attack the disease at where it starts.
It takes more than 3 years for the hard work to bear its fruit, and behind all the arduous efforts, an emotional momentum is always there to inspire the scientists. An imitating display of how the new drug works are also being shown by one of them.
Asthma is quite a personal disease for many members of our lab. My grandmother was suffering from asthma, and she had a really hard form of asthma that couldn't be controlled very well. So as a child, I remember how much suffering it was causing to her, and I wanted to help.
Professor Daniel Riccardi, who is the core investigator of the project, shows how a reliever works in case of emergency. She and her collaborators are seeking funding to take the research through clinical trials.
The key step is to show that this drug is safe when inhaled, and then we can start with patients, test efficacy of this drug in patients. So it's fairly quick because assuming that this drug is safe when it's inhaled, and then that we can proceed with clinical trials, we could potentially have a drug on the market within 5 years, which is very rapid.
Only a discovery at its first stage with a long way awaiting ahead, it is still promising for it to materialize into a treatment and change lives.